Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So this is just a really quick video, as just about an hour ago it was announced that Craft Stash have a 60% off selected magazines. Now I've had a quick look through all the selected magazines, and I will make sure that there's a link for those down below, but I do have a selection here, so I'm going to quickly go through these and go through the gifts that you get with them. And they're 60% off, and Craft Stash do offer international postage as well, and there are free thresholds on their website for whatever country that you're in. So if you spend a certain amount, no matter what the weight, you will get free shipping on that. In the UK I know it's £15. If you spend over £15 you get the free shipping. So let's get started. So this is the first one. This is Cards and Crafts for Christmas, and I am in this one. I made a calendar for this one, and you get a luxury foiled kit inside. So I'm not going to go through every single piece in here, but it's just to quickly show you. This is the kit that you get in there, and you can pop these out as well, and they're all foiled and lovely. So there's loads in that one. So that is Cards and Crafts for Christmas, and everything that I'm showing you here today is going to be linked down below, and there is a blog post on my website as well for this one. So this is Die Cutting Essentials issue 56. Now this gift is from my Simply Made Crafts range. Let's pop that out, and I have a card here that I made with that as well. It's an absolutely beautiful gift here. So don't disconnect all of these, just run them through as many times as you want and get a nice big box full of die cuts there that you can select for making wreaths and lovely layered cards. So this is Die Cutting Essentials issue 56. Now a lot of these magazines will sell out. They will sell out. They won't. Whenever we have a magazine sale, all the good ones go first. So make sure you get the ones that you want as soon as you can. It's not something that you can sit on in your basket. Okay, so this one is Papercraft Essentials. This is issue 179. And again, this is another Simply Made Crafts luxury shaker kit. So you get absolutely loads in here, and these are some of the cards that I made with that kit as well. So it's a really nice thick bumper kit as well. You get the papers, and you get these lovely die cut windows too. Okay, so that's issue 179. Now this one's a non-Christmassy one, but it's in there still. So this one is Simply Cards and Paper Crafts 193. I did work on this issue as well, so that's one of my makes down here. So apologies for my nails there. This is a quick impromptu video, and I'm wondering whether to cut my nails because I do have a Christmas party in 2 weeks time to go to, or do I just keep them long for the party and put nail polish on? I don't know yet. I'll probably end up cutting them off because my nails grow super fast, and they'll be back by 2 weeks. So this is the gift here. This is the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady. I do like those sets there, and you get some lovely nature themed papers and toppers. These are really lovely colours here. I love the greens, and the stamp sets match with that perfectly. So that is issue 193. And this one is Simply Cards and Papercraft issue 194, and the gift you get with this one is from Altenew. So you get stencils here and these layering stamps that in a poppy shape, and not poppy shape, poppy themed, and you can layer them all up and everything. So that is a really beautiful die set, stamp and stencil set. So there's loads of ideas inside the magazine here on what you can do with that gift there. So again, that's from Altenew, and that is issue 194. So back to Christmas again. So these are all jumbled up. So this one is Papercraft Essentials issue 178, and there's some really lovely cards on the front here. And in this one you get a diorama set, so you can just pop all of these out and you can make layered cards. See, there's instructions here, and this magazine is full of ideas on what you can do with this. So you don't really just have to stick to making dioramas, because you can just layer these up in your ordinary cards, even in your mini albums as well, especially when you have space in between your pages. You can really make some lovely layered pages. So that is issue 100 178 of Papercraft Essentials. Now I absolutely love this one. So this is issue 196, and the gift you get with this one is, it's from Crafter's Companion, and I have used this one. It's a Merry Christmas die, so oops, here it is, and then it's all Scandinavian themed, and this one is a full A4 stamp set from Crafter's Companion. Beautiful. So if you can imagine the Scandinavian style Christmas makes that you can make with that. So that is issue 196, and this one is Die Cutting Essentials issue 57, and you get a lovely die set with this one. It's lovely and layered, and you can just use elements from this. You can cut things out as well. As you can see here, there's just so many ideas. Cards, spinner cards, it's absolutely perfect for spinner cards there. So this one is from Memory Box, and this one is Die Cutting Essentials issue 57. And the last one I have to show you is the John Next Door. So I did actually work on this one as well. So this one is box 1, and it's a proper bumper kit here. So just to quickly show you, you get loads in here. You get the magazine at the back, full of ideas, absolutely full of ideas here, different colourways, and you get some A4 papers as well. These are double-sided, they're not shiny, they're lovely, it's lovely paper. So this is perfect for your card toppers, and you can cut those out. I would, if you're using these gift tags, mount them onto some cardstock first. And there's just some lovely, beautiful, snowy colours as well. And this one would match the latest film that has just come out in cinemas the weekend just gone. So you'll know exactly what I mean. Okay, so that is the magazine and the papers. And we have an embossing folder here. This is it's not a 6x6, let's measure that. It's a 5x5, it's a 5x5 embossing folder. And here we have these clever stamps here, upside down. We have these clever stamps here where you have this mark here and this mark here. So you stamp it all as one, and you make sure these are stamped as well on your images. And then we have the coordinating die plate, and you match up these corners here so they're poking out from these sections here, and it will just cut everything out perfectly. So that's really super clever. And then we have some extra sentiments here. So those are all the magazines that I have to show you today. I probably do have some more, but those are the ones that I've just literally just dug out for you once I saw this sale. So yeah, so there is a discount code. I'll pop it here for that discount code. You need to pop that in at checkout, and remember there's international delivery as well, and it's not on weight, it's on how much you spend. And Craftstash do have plenty of other Black Friday deals on their website as well. And if you absolutely love the British papers and things like that, then it's absolutely your perfect opportunity to get all your bulk heavy stuff ordered and meet that threshold for your country and have the free shipping. So it is actually quite fast shipping too, it's not too slow at all. So I have had comments on people saying it arrived really fast. So yeah, so give me a thumbs up if you like this one. I'm really super excited about this sale. I always get really, you know, rifled up about the magazine sales. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you get all the ones that you want, and I'll see you again next time.